Imagine for a moment that you're standing amid the Wild West, the wind whipping through your hair and the sun beating down your shoulders, and before you lies a collection of 5 legendary revolvers, each with its storied past. From the Colt Python's Hollywood glitz and Old West grit to the Ruger Single Six's masterful craftsmanship and versatility in the field, these revolvers aren't just guns, they're time capsules capturing the essence of American history and frontier ingenuity. If you're a serious gun collector, you know that owning a few key revolvers is essential to any well-rounded collection. But which ones should you add to your save? We're here to guide you through 5 classic revolvers that every gun enthusiast should consider owning. Shall we? Number 1. The Colt Python. The Colt Python is a double-action revolver you don't want to be missing from your collection. With its distinctive vent rib, sleek barrel, and wooden grips, the Python became an instant classic in the firearms world, often dubbed the Rolls-Royce of revolvers. The Python was notable for its heavy construction, precision engineering, and smooth trigger pull. It was offered in several inches and barrel lengths, including the most sought-after 4-inch and 6-inch variants. The Python's ribbed barrel helps reduce the effects of heat and light reflection, making it easier to aim and fire. The double-action trigger pull was famous for its smoothness and consistency, with minimal stacking and creep. Despite being discontinued in 2005 due to rising production costs and declining sales, the Colt Python remains a famous collector's item, with prices often reaching thousands of dollars. It was hand-fitted, with each piece polished by expert gunsmiths to ensure exceptional smoothness. The Colt Python's legacy lives on in popular culture, with appearances in movies, TV shows, and video games, cementing its status as one of the most iconic firearms of all time. Number 2. The Smith Wesson Model 29. The Smith Wesson Model 29 is a legendary revolver introduced in 1955. It's a large, powerful 44 Magnum handgun that quickly became a favorite of hunters, law enforcement, and gun enthusiasts worldwide. With its imposing size, distinctive blued steel finish, and trademark end frame, the Model 29 is often called the most powerful handgun in the world thanks to its iconic status in pop culture. The Model 29 fires the powerful 44 Magnum cartridge, a round developed in the 1950s to provide law enforcement with greater firepower than the .38 Special. Like the Colt Python, the Model 29 was hand-fitted, resulting in superior quality and a smooth double-action trigger pull. The Model 29 was famously used by Clint Eastwood's character in Dirty Harry, making it instantly recognizable to generations of movie fans and gun enthusiasts. While new Model 29s are still being produced, older models from the 1950s and 60s are highly sought after by collectors due to their connection to Dirty Harry and their place in firearms history. The Model 29 is often customized by enthusiasts with aftermarket sights, grips, and barrels available to make the gun more accurate and easier to handle. Number 3. The Ruger Single Six. The Ruger Single Six was introduced in 1953, making it the company's first revolver and the first single-action rimfire revolver produced since the Colt Single-Action Army. The Single Six is a .22 long rifle revolver with a unique design that features a solid frame, dual-spring system, and a replaceable cylinder. The Single Six is known for its durability, reliability, and versatility, with different models offering different barrel lengths and finishes. Due to its low recoil and accuracy, the Single Six is popular among competition shooters, hunters, and plinkers. Many Single Six models feature a convertible cylinder that can switch between a .22 long rifle and a .22 Winchester Magnum rimfire (WMR), providing versatility in ammunition choice. The Single Six is known for its robust construction, with features like a solid frame and dual spring system that reduce wear and tear, resulting in longer gun life. It has a long and rich history, with many shooters owning and cherishing their single sixes for decades. This has helped build a loyal following and a sense of tradition among Ruger fans. The single six is generally considered a great value for its price point. It offers solid performance and durability at a relatively affordable price. Number 4. Smith Wesson Model 10. The Smith Wesson Model 10, also known as the military and police revolver, was introduced in 1899 and remains one of the most popular revolvers ever produced. With over 6 million units sold, the Model 10 has been used by law enforcement agencies, military units, and civilians for over a century. The Model 10 is a double-action revolver chambered for the .38 Special with features like a blued steel finish, adjustable sights, and various barrel lengths. It's known for its simplicity, reliability, and accuracy, making it a favorite of firearm enthusiasts worldwide. It evolved from the S&W .38 hand ejector, Smith & Wesson's first swing-out cylinder revolver. This innovation allowed for faster reloading and helped establish the Model 10 as a standard for law enforcement and military use. The Model 10 was produced in a variety of configurations, including sub-nose, 4-inch, and 6-inch barrel lengths. This versatility made it suitable for both concealed carry and target shooting. Its long history and association with law enforcement and military service have made it an iconic revolver, with many firearm collectors and enthusiasts seeking vintage Model 10s for their collections. The Model 10's simple design and operation make it an ideal choice for those seeking a reliable, easy-to-use revolver for self-defense and target shooting. Number 5. The Colt Single-Action Army, also known as the Peacemaker, was first introduced in 1873 and quickly became the iconic handgun of the American West. This single-action revolver, chambered in .45 Colt, played a significant role in the history of the United States, being used by everyone from Wyatt Earp to Buffalo Bill. The Single-Action Army is a classic revolver featuring a brass or steel frame, a distinctive grip, and a unique ratchet loading mechanism. This mechanism requires the shooter to pull the hammer back for each shot, and it was revolutionary in the late 1800s, leading to the development of more advanced revolver designs. The Colt Single-Action Army was affectionately nicknamed the Peacemaker for its role in helping maintain law and order in the frontier days of the Old West. It's a true icon of American history with a legacy that spans over a century and a half. The gun's association with cowboys, law enforcement officers, and outlaws continues to drive demand from collectors and enthusiasts today. Many collectors and shooters customize their Colt Single-Action Army revolvers with custom grips, sights, and engravings, making each gun a unique reflection of its owner's style and taste. And there we have it, 5 classic revolvers every gun collector should own. As a gun collector, if you don't have any of these or even all of these revolvers in your collection, you're doing something wrong. Add them up to your collection as soon as possible. So which one is your favorite, and which one will you add to your collection? Let us know in the comments down below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so yet. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.